If your Samsung Watch is not tracking steps or steps counter is inaccurate, then by following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue causing your Galaxy Watch to not count steps accurately. While many users report that they are generally accurate, factors like wearing style, wrist movement, and individual physiology can influence the results. This troubleshooting guide will help you fix steps counting problem on Samsung Galaxy Watch easily. Check your Galaxy Watch fit. Your Galaxy Watch has several sensors that need to make close contact with your skin for accurate tracking. As such, a loose fit can cause inaccurate step tracking on your Galaxy Watch. You should ensure a proper fit for your Galaxy Watch and try tracking steps again. Reboot Samsung Galaxy Watch. Before we go over advanced tricks, make sure to reboot your Samsung Galaxy Watch once. It's a handy trick to troubleshoot common Galaxy Watch glitches in no time. Step 1. Press and hold the back and home keys, power key, simultaneously for around 7 seconds until the watch shows the rebooting message. Step 2. Once your watch restarts, try tracking your steps again. Set your watch to track steps. If you have a new Samsung Galaxy Watch, make sure to follow the steps below to set it up for tracking. Step 1. Press the home button to open the app screen. Step 2. Tap Samsung Health and open the steps tile. Step 3. Add steps and put the tile on the home screen. 3. Clear Samsung Health cache. If Samsung Health collects a corrupt cache, you may run into errors with fitness tracking. You should clear the Samsung Health cache using the steps below. Step 1. Open Galaxy Watch settings and scroll to the apps menu. Step 2. Scroll to Samsung Health. Step 3. Tap Clear Cache. Allow Samsung Health to access Galaxy Watch sensors. You need to give Samsung Health the required permission to access the watch sensors. Use the steps below if you haven't enabled the permissions. Step 1. Launch Samsung Health on your Galaxy Watch, refer to the steps above. Step 2. Open Settings. Step 3. Tap Share Data with Devices and Services. Step 4. Tap Health Platform and allow required permissions. Update system software. Samsung regularly releases system updates to improve your Galaxy Watch with new features and bug fixes. You should update Galaxy Watch to the latest version to fix inaccurate step tracking. Step 1. Launch Samsung Watch settings and scroll to Software Update. Step 2. Download and install the latest OS version. Reset Samsung Watch. If none of the tricks work, you should try resetting your Samsung Watch and setting it up from scratch. Step 1. Open Samsung Watch settings and scroll to General. Step 2. Select Reset and follow the on-screen instructions to reset.